Good morning, students. Today I have explained subject computer studies, standard 11, chapter number 6, basic Ubuntu Linux commands, part 1. So, first is a introduction. A standard ninth, we have studied in depth the working of an operating system called a Ubuntu. During the study, we learned that once a user logs into the computer system having Ubuntu Linux, he or she can interact with the computer using command line interface or graphical user interface. Both these interfaces are important and have their own uses. In this chapter, we will learn how to use the command line interface in detail. The command line interface allows us to access the real power of Linux with greater efficiency. That is the most influential part of any Ubuntu systems. So, first is a interface to interact with the computer. First is a GUI and second is a CLI. GUI, that means graphical user interface, and CLI, that means command line interface. Command line interface, CLI, most influential part of any Ubuntu system. This allow us to access the real power of Linux with a greater efficiency. Terminal window, to open a command line console in a graphical interface. A window named terminal windows is provided in Linux. To open a terminal window, click on applications and then accessories and then terminal. And alternately, you can use control plus alter plus T uh, keys together. A terminal window similar to the one showing figure will be seen on the screen. Note that the look of your actual window may be different from the one so that is a command prompt. First is the administrator, that is a username @ Ubuntu, that means a computer system name, and then tilde and dollar, that is a home directory name. So once the windows is clearly visible, you will see a blinking cursor preceded by some letters and press numbers and symbols ending with a $sign. The first word in that string of a character is a username followed by a symbol @ The symbol @ is followed by the name of the computer that is being used. Finally, you will find a colon and the name of the directory you are working in. Generally, you start working in your home directory, which is represented by a tilde symbol. The command prompt indicate that the interface is ready to interact with the user in the form of a commands. A command is basically a program that accomplishes certain tasks. Once the prompt is displayed, we can uh, issue command as described in this chapter. Before discussing various commands, let us revise our knowledge about the term cell. A cell that cell that means a command line interface. A cell is the command line interface. Cell is user program or an environment provided for user interactions. It is a command language interpreter that accepts or issues commands, understand it, interacts with the kernel or execute it, and display result as per given instructions. So popular the cells is a bond cell that means SH, C cell that means CSH and TCSH, quant cell that means KSH, and base cell that means SH. So that is a some popular cells. SH cell, SH cell that means a bond cell with SH as its acronym is the earliest Unix cell. Bond cell provides a basic mechanism for cell script programming. It allows us to write a program based slowly on commands. Next is a CSH cell, that means C cell. That is a programming can be done. TCSH cell, that means newer version of CSH, provides the additional cell script programming features. Next is a quant cell, that is a KSH cell. It was developed to combine the feature of both SH and CSH. Next is a BSH cell, that is a newer version of a one cell. It contains same syntax and function as a SH, standard cell for Linux systems. Next, environment variable. So variable that contain current environment setting as its value. The value of default cell is stored is SHELL variables. So that is a different cells and the use of cells. So today's session is over. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.